Welcome to the MIMAP video training series. In this introduction video, I'm going to cover the very basics of MIMAP, which will orient you in using the viewer. I do want to note that there are individual videos going more in depth on all the tools and features that I'm talking about today, so stay tuned. First, let's navigate to the Welcome panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This provides you an overview as well as shortcuts to several tools such as searching for parcels, identifying items on the map, and printing. Then there's this feedback button on the bottom, which creates an email that goes directly to the GIS team at MVPC. Next, there's also a search bar in the upper right-hand corner, which allows you to search across multiple datasets at once. Let's take a moment to sign in. The Sign In button can also be found in this upper right-hand corner, and it's important because not all data is publicly available. So once you log in with your credentials, you'll be able to access all the layers for your community, plus an additional tool, and it also saves certain settings within your project. So you'll notice that once I hit the Sign In button, the ability to create an abutters list just appeared on the left-hand side. Next, if you look to the top of this panel, you'll see a tab called Layers. You can click this to explore the different data sets available for your community, and you can view these by toggling them on and off with the checkmark boxes. You can also change your map theme down here at the bottom, which are essentially just preset layers that turn on and off depending on what you're interested in viewing. And these are customizable and different for each community. Next, we have the Tools menu up here. This houses all the map creating and markup tools that you'll need, which we'll go in more in depth later. To move across the map, simply click and drag. You can zoom in and out by using the plus and minus buttons in the upper right corner, or simply use the scroll feature on your mouse. Lastly, I'm going to go over all these buttons in the left-hand corner of your map. So the first one is adding a bookmark. So if there's a place in your map that you frequently visit and you like to return there, such as the Powwow River, you can add a bookmark and return to it whenever you like. So if I add it there, I can be anywhere in my map, and when I click, it will bring me right back to where I set it. The next button is a base map selector. One of note is this pictometry that's historic. There's a slide bar so you can view from 2017 all the way to 2023 in one base map, or you can just click the latest pictometry, which was taken in 2025. And you can see there are some other options as well. The next option is the scale button, which is likely helpful if you're exporting a PDF map and you have a set scale you want to go to. There's also the show map coordinates. If you ever need to copy and paste that, you can, and you can use this drop down to change the format of it. And the next button is very helpful. It's the return to home button if you ever want to go back to the full extent of your community, which I use very often. And that's all I have for this introduction video. Thank you for watching.